I concede, and therefore I will not sign the 2024 finance bill, and it shall subsequently be withdrawn.
Ino ni miario ya President William Ruto akiendelea guteaniria watho wa kigina wa mwaka wa 2024 thutha wa muingi kuregana naguo, na umuthi kugerera ndumiriri kuri nyumba cia mohoro. Spika wa bunge ya bururi Moses Wetangula niekirite mukonde kwamukira ndumiriri kuma kuri President akiuria bunge gufuta icunji ciothe 69 iria cirari thiini wa watho ucio. Bunge iri rutha rwa ihinda ria mweri umwe ruria rurambiriirie muthenya wa ira, no spika wa bunge no etie gikaro kia mwanya kwarĩrĩria ndumiriri ino kana eterere nginyagia riria bunge gucokereria cikaro ciayo. No kamiti ya bunge igi kigina ni gukorwo ikiharĩrĩria riboti igi watho wa kigina wa mwaka uyu iria igategemanio bunge-ini. No ikinya ria President gucokia watho uyu bunge-ini na kwendekithia icunji ciothe cifutwo ni ritumurite kiuria gia kana rungu rwa gatiba ya bururi kana President no endekithia undu ta uyu, na mubunge wa Rarienda Otiende Amolo uria no mutaramu wa watho augite ati President ndari na mahinya macio.
The President cannot reject the bill as he now purports to do. A president in the United States has those powers. The President of Kenya does not have those powers to veto by way of rejection. We had that debate when we were making the constitution, and we expressly removed that power from the President of Kenya.
Thiini wa ndumiriri yake kuri bunge, President agwetete gicunji kia 115 gia gatiba ya bururi arikio kihumo kia mahinya make, na gicunji giki kiugite ati President no acokie riandikithia ria watho kuri bunge niguo iurore weru na heane mendekithia ma icunji iria angenda cicenjie. No kuringana na Omolo, gicunji giki gitimuhete mahinya ma gwatha bunge ifute icunji ciothe cia riandikithia ria watho.
You cannot propose to Parliament to amend a bill by deleting it. That's not an amendment. Secondly, if you look at Article 115, Subarticle 5, the Constitution contemplates that at the end of that process, the President suggests amendments, Parliament debates, either upholds or rejects the President's suggestions. There must be a bill that comes back to the President.
Kuringana na gicunji giki kia watho, President amukira riandikithia ria watho akoragwo na maundu matatu maria angika. Wa mbere ni kumikira thairi na kumitua watho.
The second option is to refer it back to Parliament with proposals on amendments. The third option is to do nothing, and then the bill becomes law automatically on the 14th day.
Na kuringana na Amolo, gukorwo ati President arari na matanya ma guteaniria watho ucio uri wothe na ndari na mahinya macio ge gatiba, ino nio njira iria angirahuthirire.
There's only one way out. Wait for the 14 days. The bill will become law anyway. But before the 14 days lapse, we'll propose a bill to repeal the entire act, so that on the day it becomes law is the day Parliament sits, yes, to repeal it.
Hadu ine haka Meme TV retwa ria kwa ni KIMANI wa NGUNJIRI.